Hello everyone, today we will do keyword gap audit with our competitors, like on which keywords we are not ranking. So we are talking about easy PDF editor keyword, and here you can see that Sajda website is on top. So we will do a keyword gap research with SEMrush tool. Here our in first column we will put our website easypdfeditor.com. You can see it is an organic keywords research, and here we will add our competitor like Sajda.com. yes, because it is on number 1 and ranking on multiple keywords. So after that we need to click on start. Okay, so in this SEMrush tool you can see here the list of keywords, like on 2 keywords our website and on 50k keywords are Sajda websites. So these 2 keywords are shared, like on these 2 keywords both websites are getting ranked, but our website is missing 50,000 keywords. So here is the list of keywords, and you can export this list from right side button. Also you can add to keywords list. If you have any other keywords, then you can add that to this list. So this feature is available on SEMrush tool, and you can check on 15-day free trial without any payments. You can check my link in the description box. So this list of all the keywords on which our competitors are ranking. Okay, this is a huge list. So let me go through the list with the like which things you need to measure. Okay, go first on the top. So this is the KD is the like how much effort you need to rank on these keywords. Like you will need lots of referral domain. If you take like if KD is near about 100, then it is near about impossible to rank on that keyword. Like it's a KD 62, so you need lots of referral domain on 69 KD, also 67 KD also. Okay, so the higher the KD ratio, it will be hard to rank. Also you can change the country, like in which country the keyword analysis will be done. Like in India, I changed India. So in India, easypdfeditor.com is not ranked on any keyword which is shared with Sajda.com, but Sajda.com also you can see that not relevant keywords. Okay, and Sajda.com is also ranked on 16.6k keywords in India. So here the top keywords on which it is ranked is I love PDF. So you can see the volume. This is the search volume, like how much searching per month. Okay, so from here you can also check the search volume, like how much people are monthly searching here. Okay, so you can use this free SEMrush tool for 15 days. I have arranged a 15 days trial for you guys, so you can just sign up from the link in the description or in the comment pin, and you can start it right now.